In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily clear watch history on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then go to menu. After that, tap right here at that gear to get into settings, and then scroll down and search for activity log. If you tap on it, you will be taken to this page where you should scroll down to the very bottom and then just tap at view activity history, and that's where you can see a timeline of your Facebook activity, including pages you visited, including videos you watched, and also likes you made. And then if you want to delete some of your activity from that history, just tap at these three dots next to it and then hit add delete and delete again. That's how you can easily clear your watch history on Facebook. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.